Aaron, can you shine your light on my rice?
Yeah.
What a pick-up line that would be.
Oh my god, it's...
You've made a small jet engine.
Do you see what we can burn with it?
Oh, you can roast marshmallows with lighter fluid.
Burn your white jeans.
Whoa!
You're cooking in a burnt pan!
Oh, Inferno!
Are you alright?
Good morning guys, welcome to another daily vlog. So it's 19 minutes past 7 on the 10th November and I am just about to leave the house for work as I have to cover a shift for someone else. So yeah, hence why I'm going to work this morning. But yeah, anyway, without further ado, let's crack on with the day and see what happens. Hey guys, so I just got to the Galv and it's now 7:42. So I'm just chilling, playing the piano a bit until they come and open up and we start setting up for the day. So yeah, I'll catch you guys a bit later. Cottage.
Pie?
Finish it off.
I said pie.
Oh.
Oh.
What did you say to that, Logan?
What do I say?
Yum.
Well, there we have it.
You know what?
I wouldn't be in this. I'm not a music.
Well, I mean, you've got a pretty big input already, so...
You said cottage pie.
I just talk too much.
Yeah, you really do. Shut up.
Don't worry, I'm
a journalist, that's why.
Aaron, you're talking way too much. Like, come on, man.
There you go, just have it. There's proof. Video proof.
Physicals.
It's wide angle, you're already in it.
Oh my god. It's blinking wide.
I can't get that close to George, so it's going to have to be...
Last year was so funny when we got Kirby to shout recording in the middle of cargo to try and get the camera to record.
It's a bit like that owl meme on Facebook where it's like, you know, it's just seen everything like.
Being on.
It's so weird, the lights Good afternoon guys, so it is now 3:21. I have just got home. I've just got home as I said, and I'm just taking a breather, changed into a bit more of an outfit now. Out of my Kent Hospitality uniform after my shift, which I was covering. And yeah, the Galv staff were really nice. They boxed me up another chocolate cake and gave it to me because it was kind of like it was going out of date and like it was going to, you know, be a waste. So they gave it to me, which was kind of them. And yeah, and which segues right into what I'm going to tell you guys about, which is happening later. I have just got invited apparently to Ollie's firework evening that they're doing with Chad. Ollie and Chad are having a fireworks evening at their place this evening, and they've kindly invited me, which was really lovely of them. So thank you guys. I really thank you for inviting me. It really means a lot. And yeah, so I'm going to take this cake over to theirs this evening, which will be nice. And yeah, so what I'm going to do now is take a breather, leave in a bit, go and collect the person that I'm meeting from Canterbury, and I'm going to talk to him a bit and show him our facilities, and then after that I'm going to trek down to Ollie's place, Ollie and Chad's house, and yeah, it should be lovely. So yeah, I'm looking forward to the evening, but anyway, I'll catch you guys a bit later whenever I get a chance to talk to you. Hey guys, I just got out of my meeting and it's like gone 7 now, and I bumped into the wonderful Kirby.
Hello.
Who's just got off a shuttle bus from Canterbury.
Yes.
And, like, I dropped the guy I was having a meeting with from KTV in, who came down from Canterbury back to the shuttle bus, and so Kirby bumped into him, and then he came and met me. So it was quite funny. Yeah, it was good timing. And then I just told Kirby that the meeting guy said it would be great if Music Sock Medway participated in Music Sock. And I was like, wait, what? And Kirby was like, what? Doesn't make sense. But that was, it was a bit of a laugh, actually.
I need to get some sleep. That's what's the sleep.
Yeah. Guys, kids, do not neglect your sleep, kids. It's not good. And then you end up saying, if only Medway participated in Music Sock.
Well, like, the musical's going to be played now.
Yeah, but yeah, we'll catch you guys a bit later. We're going to walk through the park. Yeah, so yeah. See you all later.
See ya.
Hey guys, so it's now 7:42 and I'm just on my way out again. I got home from that meeting and yeah, now I'm on my way out with the chocolate cake and my speaker, and we're going over to Ollie's house, so I'll catch you all over there. Guys, Hannah's looking ready to cut her cake.
Or slap me.
With a spatula. Yeah, why not? Just go for it.
Can you not do it on your own? No.
Oh!
This actually must be quite difficult, like, it's a really intense thing.
Are you having fun? You just
No,
know
if you mess up this cake,
It doesn't
then
matter.
everyone will be really upset.
It's anyway going to be eaten at the end of the day.
You've not got a knife. Is that what you're trying to find?
Ollie?
Couldn't find one. Well, that's slightly more advanced for a shoot house, but... Yeah.
Oh,
well
clean
done.
sliced. Well done, Hannah.
Thank you.
That was a clean slice.
Did you make it for me and Jane as well? Oh.
Got some video.
Inside the house.
Wings?
No, bins.
Oh, wings bins. Everyone's like, rice. Ben, are you going to light the fireworks with your rice?
The right way up there. Can you shine your light on my rice?
Yeah.
What a pick-up line that would be. And you shine your light on my rice.
It kind of rhymes in a bit. In a way.
Mate, that's the song name for the chicken teriyaki.
Chad, are you building a barricade or something?
Ben is still on about the fact that he wants us to be doing the chicken teriyaki.
It's not sticky enough.
Chicken teriyaki? Guys.
I'm quite scared.
I'm joking.
Oh! Oh, that's some heat. Oh my god! Houston! Houston!
I don't know which side is safer.
Stay on this side. Flippin'.
It's closer to the face than it is the face. The face is flammable.
What? Blink flip. Oh my god. Wow. Flip of Nora. What?
This is bad.
Yet again, who's where?
We're here. We're here. Oh my god. Be careful.
I think this is still safe, right?
Hope so.
No, I mean it's not safe at all.
Really?
Watch out, guys.
Fine.
Oh my flipping. Whoa.
I feel like I'm in the graveyard.
Oh. Wow. Wowzers.
That was pretty as well.
That was fun.
Is there more?
With a PH.
Fun with pH, wow.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, one more.
I'm leaving to get alcohol, bye.
What? You're leaving? Oh. Oh my god. What was that? Was it? Oh crud.
Last one.
Last one.
Just try it out. Oh, there it is.
I thought I stepped on Ollie's prawn crackers. Round two.
His prawn crackers.
Prawn crackers.
Prawn?
Prawn.
Aaron.
Oh my god. I thought that was another firework going off.
Mate, that's right by your head. If that were a firework, you would have no head.
I was freaking
Sorry, I can't
scared.
hear you.
Oh,
No! Terrible.
that was freaking.
Yay! Oh. Oh, is it a bonfire now? Jesus, I'm going to step back.
You what?
There's a bonfire very close to us.
A bonfire?
How I can hear fireworks inside because your phone's connected to the damn speaker.
Oh.
I was like,
Emma, you're scared it's gonna blow up.
Come up and like, blowing your face sort of thing.
Ollie. Oh my god, it's.
You've made a small jet engine.
Did you see what we burn with it?
Oh, you can roast marshmallows with lighter fluid.
Burn your white jeans.
Whoa!
You're cooking in a burnt pan.
Oh, Inferno!
right.
Oh my god, did he do that with the firework?
Okay, I'm set.
You're a little bit waved.
Chad, you're crazy.
Yeah.
Oh my god, he's
You're
using a
so trashy.
spoon.
It's great.
Sorry.
I'm not sure that's
You
legal
must be
or
kidding.
safe.
I just know what you're like.
I
normally.
saw you this morning. You waved at someone in front of you.
Not that I knew you were there, but
No, hang on a minute. You said that you also saw someone who you thought was me and you waved to them.
I waved
Are you
at them.
alright at the
I
minute?
was waving at everyone this morning.
You just have Chad in the background screaming. It's going to be one of those nights where it's going to be like. Where's it gone?
It's been 30 minutes and this 4-second clip still isn't loaded.
It's like having one of those virtual fireplaces on your phone, but an
really
actual.
not virtual. I'm sorry, Ben. It's actually really hot, is it? You don't put it above the fire.
did you do scouts? Yeah. See, you know. Yeah. You know that. You put it above the flame. You don't put it in the flame. You.
Oh,
It's well hot down here.
I'm scared for that fence.
that fence looks dangerous. But I don't know how we're going to move. We can't move.
It's
the-
too late
Fine, it was
now.
there the other day and it didn't set anything on fire.
Who's got a phone with a light on?
Everyone.
Hashtag first world problems.
I don't like this yellow light, it's not doing things for my skin.
Ollie, it looks like your friend's making a noise up there. Oh!
Meg, you're gonna burn that.
Oh my god.
Oh, hey.
It's like chestnuts roasting on an open fire. Well, maybe not.
It's not chestnuts, mate.
No.
It will be chopsticks roasting on an open fire.
Chopsticks.
Stop!
Oh dear.
Water, it's fresh.
Fresh, perfectly fine, pure hot water.
Oh,
Guys, this is how to tame a flame, apparently.
Go wash me out.
Oh my god. Ben's going fishing in the fire. Oh.
this is just the worst axe technique.
You are so dangerous.
Oh wow. Watch out, Joel. Be careful.
Aaron, don't worry, I'm not. Excuse me?
Chad, you've created a flippin' inferno.
Thank you.
Get all up in there.
Chad, what was that about? You got all in that.
Yeah.
Got all up in there. That marshmallow.
Oh dear. Crispy. Oh wow. Or the organic way. The organic way of doing it.
I would argue that's nicer.
Does that twig have water still?
Yeah, Ben.
It tastes like Mr. Whippy ice cream.
Oh my god, that is.
Mate, that's not marshmallow, that's charcoal.
It's not even charcoal, it's a Bunsen burner.
Bunsen burner.
Solid black on the other side.
Oh my god.
No, I'm still trying to load this Gordon Ramsay clip.
Give up, mate. Or
Leave it!
moving marshmallows. Or it's alliteration.
Leave it!
You're cooking in a
Burnt pan, you
Or. That was funny.
I live with a bunch of
Or. Oh my god, this is sick.
Joe! You taking a lump out of my fence?
Or.
It's totally gonna work. Mate. Aaron, I think you're actually screaming. Stop.
Sorry. I didn't mean to scare everyone. Joel did the standard thing and flipping. Someone just yelled Ben. I loved it how I loved it how Joel and all of the others did that famous thing in Univan when I sneezed that time when they were playing. They all just looked like so funny. Sorry, that I'm just laughing at things now. Well, I do. Or
It's actually glowing orange.
the container is glowing orange.
On the bottom there.
It's radioactive.
Nah, Aaron, mate, it's just
Or
hot. I don't know, it might well be.
What has he put in there?
lighter fluid.
God, we've actually burnt through.
Has he? Oh my god, the bottom's giving way.
The light bringer is here.
We not got
Joel, are you uniting Chad?
No, it's just a terrible.
Yeah, don't.
like a torch.
Or Joel looks like he's going to knight someone.
That's burning really well.
Oh! I've actually got that song. I've got that song in my library. Yeah? At the fire.
Why are you burning the bamboo?
Oh, it's paused. Oh.
Space right
Oh
now.
no, Ben's trying to outdo me now.
Oh, that's sick.
That's gonna fall down onto his hand.
Yeah.
And when it does, I'll be here to laugh.
I'll put it on when everyone goes back inside, otherwise it's going to...
Got
Speed
it there
dial.
purely so that if it does hit the fan,
Yeah. Well, if it hits the boiler outlet in this context, probably.
the boiler's getting too no, that's why it's spitting out so much.
This is better than a usual Friday evening, I think.
That's true. I'd probably be quite drunk by now and regretting a lot of my decisions through the week.
Ben!
Ben's exciting particles again.
I feel sorry. Those socks are definitely going to go off at some point. Those are your socks.
Oh my god, those socks.
Can we put them on the fire?
All of the chicken shops that were shut down in Gillingham. They didn't get shut down, they burnt down because of the chicken oil. Oh, you ready? You ready?
No,
you ready?
Ben.
Ready for that. Ben!
Ben, legitimately, mate, this isn't like when you thought having another glass of wine before going was a good idea. This is actually like the fence could set alight.
Flip. Ben, you really are exciting the fire. Oh wow, are they axing trees?
Probably. Stop killing my garden!
I hope you aren't burning the boiler. Oh my god, it's lighter fluid.
I'm not gonna.
That should be...
That's a boiler.
Aaron.
Sorry.
No, you don't need to apologise. It's just I don't know anybody else who sneezes like that.
I found like someone the other day who was like competing with me for sneezing loudness. It was so funny. I was like, oh my god, I need to beat them.
I don't think Ben's sneezes are real.
Really?
When you sneeze, mate, they sound fake.
Can't start properly when I sneeze.
Mate, you can't.
Burning rice? Oh my god, it's burning. It sounds like popcorn. Guys, I think Ben's gone box crazy.
Fences on fire a little bit.
Dousing the fence a bit.
Is it? It's
gonna be so fun. Yeah. We need to get loads more though over the year, don't we?
I can do like 10 more for now. Just give me a few minutes to digest it.
Oh my god, what's... Oh, I thought the fire was popping, but it was Ben axing cardboard. Oh my god, it's the axe murderer.
It's kicking off a bit now, lads.
Oh my god. Yeah?
If you've enjoyed this remix, can I request another one? But I promise
Yeah.
it'll be the only late night Tough Guy remix I've
Oh no, don't worry, don't worry.
You missed.
But I'm
You
happy.
know what? This remix didn't ruin the song. It's still a cracking song, but if someone said to me Africa remix, I'd be a bit like, they kind of still keep the essence of Africa.
Oh wait, no.
It's because it's been under the radiator, probably.
Oh no.
Hey! That's what I wanted. There you go, it worked.
Wait, what was that? Gin?
I didn't know gin was flammable.
Without the tonic.
Tonic might not be flammable.
Oh my god, it's... Oh!
He just jumped in.
Oh wow. Oh my god!
It's not reaching the boat, just jumped in. I thought it would work.
Ben! Ben! It's like looking after a dog all the time.
I thought
me shoe.
I thought that was the phone.
It's all our house.
But he doesn't know you, Fred, because you weren't here, because you didn't have the decency to see him all weekend and what boyfriend of that.
Alright. Yeah, you're right.
I don't have the decency to be here. I turn on the light.
But he kind of
There we go, Aaron. Now we're getting.
This wasn't me.
So, in the door,
Joel, I think this was Chad's idea. I was really confused.
I don't like doors. It was your choice, Ben.
It was me and Josh sat in the lounge.
It feels weird because this whole bit is vibrating.
What is that?
Bless you.
Someone else does it.
Bless you. No problem.
Where's he gone? Doesn't stay static, he moves. That's what makes the game happy.
Oh my god.
He's not coming yet. It's safe.
Ollie's just like breaking the breaking the suspense. Ollie, are you breaking the suspense?
We had to argue about what to do with the fire.
So tense right now. You scream. I'm going to absolute.
Oh! You!
Do you know what's really funny when you do that?
That flipping gave me a fridge. That.
See, the thing is, he's flinching as well, so all I get is
Oh, I remember I did that to Kirby.
Run!
No, they've already got it. They've already got the
Aaron, now is not the time, man. Now is not the time.
If you're scared by Jack.